What if I told you the biggest threat to your confidence isn't failure, but the tiny things you do every single day? Not the big mistakes, not the heartbreaks. It's the little habits you barely notice. They look harmless, they feel normal, but they quietly chip away at your self-belief until you start doubting everything. Sounds dramatic? It's not. Because real damage rarely comes from one big punch. It comes from 1,000 small cuts. And today, we're going to expose those hidden habits so you can stop them before they crush your confidence for good. Tiny habit number 1, negative self-talk, especially the "I'm just joking" kind. You know those times you mess up and say, I'm so stupid, or typical me, always late. Maybe you laugh it off. Maybe it feels harmless. But your brain doesn't care if it's a joke. It just hears the words. Say it enough times and it becomes your identity. Tiny habit number 2, breaking promises to yourself. Ever told yourself you'd start a workout routine on Monday and then skipped it? Or planned to wake up early but hit snooze 5 times? Each time you make a promise and break it, you teach your brain that your word doesn't matter. Think about it. If someone constantly cancels plans with you, would you trust them? Of course not. Tiny habit number 3, constant comparison. Scrolling through social media and thinking, they're ahead of me, they're smarter, they're happier. It feels casual, even normal. But every comparison is a quiet message to yourself. I'm not enough. It's like running a race while staring at someone else's lane. You slow down. Tiny habit number 4, seeking constant validation. Do you check your phone every few minutes to see if someone liked your post, replied to your message, or approved your idea? It feels good in the moment. But every time you rely on someone else's reaction to feel worthy, you hand them the keys to your confidence. Self-belief means believing your opinion of you matters more than anyone else's. Next time you create something, try keeping it to yourself for a day before sharing it. Learn to like your own work first. That's how you build internal approval. Here's what all these habits have in common. They're small. They're easy to miss, but they quietly teach your brain a dangerous lesson: that you can't trust yourself. And once you stop trusting yourself, confidence dies. But you can reverse it. Speak to yourself with respect. Keep one small promise today. Stay in your lane. Validate yourself first. Every time you do. So here's your challenge for today. Pick one of these habits, just one, and break it. Catch the negative self-talk. Keep a promise no matter how small. Notice when you compare. Pause before you seek approval. Do it once, then again tomorrow. That's how transformation starts. If this hit home for you, don't just